From equation 1, I am writing minus 9x here. 2y square sent to right side.
minus 2y square
X equals to
2y
equation 1. Then second one is 3x square plus 4y is equals to 0 in second. Put 1 in 2. Either 2 in 1 or 1 in 2. Why I am taking 1 into, I will show that one. 3 into
2y square
x square. So x square is 2y square by 9 whole square plus 4y equals to 0. Here we have 3 into 4y power 4 by 81 plus equals to 0. 3 27 times 81. Here what we have 4 common. Y power 4 plus y here divided by 27 is equals to 0. 4 is given to the denominator. Now in these two cases you can take y common.
y power 3 plus 1
Is equals to 0. Now what we have? First one equal to 0 or y cube by 27 equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 or y cube by 27 equals to minus 1. Y equal to 0 or y cube equals to 27 is minus 27. Y is equal to 0 or y cube equals to minus 3 cube. Y is 0 and 1y is minus 3. How many values of y we got? 2 values. Now we can substitute here. If y is equals to 0, this implies x is equals to 2 into 0 square by 9, that is 0. If y is equals to minus 3, this implies x is equals to 2 into minus 3 square by 9. 2 into 9 by 9, that is how much? 2. Previously we got one case, na 2 and 3. Equating first one and substituting the value in second. So what we will get here? Therefore points of intersection. X comma y. So what is that first? 0 comma 0 and
0
x is 2, y is minus 3.
minus 3
2 comma minus 3. Now which point we have to consider? Fourth quadrant means suppose on a graph we have this is x dash y y dash. This region belongs to x and y dash. This region belongs to x and y. This one x dash and y. This region x dash y dash. Dash means negative value. X comma y both are positive. This is first quadrant value. X dash y first is negative, second is positive, is not given. This value is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So we have to consider point of intersection to be 2 comma minus 3. We are ignoring this point. Why we are considering this one? Because this point is in fourth quadrant. We have given here. That's why we have solved this one. What we have to do? From first equation, equate the value of x. Equating x means taking this y to right side, cancelling that minus sign, then 9 is sent to denominator equation 1. Second curve as it is. First curve we are substituting in second. Or solving two curves. What we will get? Point of intersection or intersections. Here we have y power 4 and y common you have to take, so that you can get the difference. If you will not take y common also, you will get this point, no issue. Okay, 2 points or 1 point, or anyway if 2 points are there. In the first question what we have done, y square equals to 36x plus y, that term we have ignored the second point from that one because they have not mentioned any quadrant in that. But here quadrant is mentioned, that's why we are ignoring the first point. We have to take the second point because of this in fourth quadrant. They are meeting in fourth quadrant. So at that point what we have to find? We have to find the angle between them. To find angle between the curves, we have to write down the curves again. Now differentiating both sides. 2 into d by dx of y square, 9 into d by dx of x equals to d by dx of 0. 3 into d by dx of x square plus 4 into d by dx of y equal to 0. Now what we have, 2 into 2y into dy by dx minus 9 into 1 equal to 0. This is 4y. dy by dx equals to 9. This 4y goes to the denominator. Now if I write m1, what we should do? We have to substitute the point. Which point we have to substitute? 9 by 4 into y, x and y. Y is how much? Minus 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 by 4. Minus sign is there. So what we got? Minus 3 by 4. Here we have 3 into 2x plus 4 dy by dx equal to 0. Now we have 4 dy by dx equals to 6x goes that side, becomes minus 6x. dy by dx equals to minus 6x by 4. Now m2. m2 means we have dy by dx value. Now this is x1. What is x1?
2.
Minus 6 into 2 by 4. So 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6. How much we got?
3.
Minus 3. We have m1 and m2. We need to find angle between them. To find angle between them, tan theta formula, as we have done in 1a also. You did m or not in 1a? Not used. Okay. m1 minus 3 by 4 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. First multiplying the denominator values, minus into minus plus 9 by 4 by 1. LCM in the numerator, 4 ones are 4, minus 3 plus 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 9. This is 9 by 30. Tan theta. Theta equals to, tan goes that side, becomes tan inverse. Check this one once again. One of the most important questions. So this one we have two curves given. We have to find angle between them. You need to remember the formula to find angle. Tan theta formula we use to find angle between the lines when slopes are given. m1 minus m2. So first thing, we need a point of intersection of the curves. We have three types of different curves till now. From 5th, 6th and 7th question you can have that. In 5th question we have equated, we got the points. In 6th question what we have done, we have solved the question and we got x square and y square solved values. But here case is different. Here y is having square, here y does not have square. Here x is having x as it is, x is having square. So what we have to do, from first one, equate the value of x. Equating x means taking x on left side, sending right, whatever terms are there on right side. After equating x, we have to substitute this x value in equation second. So wherever x is there, 2y square by 9 we have to take. Then after simplification, we got the value of y. Values of y. How many values we got? 2 values of y. When we have 2 values of y, we will get 2 x values. If we substitute in y equation, this value. Y value is how much? 0. 2 into 0 square by 9 is 0 itself. So 0 comma 0. Then second one, what we have to take? Minus 3. If we substitute minus 3 here, you will get 9 and cancel 2. We got 2 point of intersection. We are not selecting first point. What we are, which point we are taking? Second point for m1 and m2. To get what we can say angle between the point, we need m1 and m2. m1 is slope of first curve. Take first curve, differentiate. Take second curve, differentiate. You will get dy by dx. But dy by dx, if point is given, substitute the point in dy by dx, not the first one. Ignore it. Second one we have to take. In place of y, you can substitute whatever y value. Here in place of x, you have to substitute x value. We got m1 and m2. Because we are not doing orthogonal part. Orthogonal means m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. Here we are not multiplying them. The reason is they are asking us to find the angle, not orthogonal. To find the angle, you have to remember the formula of angle. Tan theta equals to m1 minus m2. Practice 2 times, you will get this one.